Hey there everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I will tell you how to fix Instagram app not working issue on iPhone. So guys, many of you are complaining about that your Instagram app is not working properly and you don't know how to fix this issue. But guys, don't worry, in this video I will tell you how to fix this issue. So guys, without wasting your time, let's start the video. Our step number 1 is to restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can often resolve these type of issues. Turn off your iPhone by going to settings, then tap on general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. If restarting doesn't work, then you have to do is check for iOS update. Ensure your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. You have to go to software update and check if there is an available update for your iPhone. If there is, then simply update your iPhone to the latest version of iOS 17. After updating your iOS version, then you have to do is update your Instagram version. You have to do is simply open the App Store on your iPhone and then search your Instagram app. Tap on it, tap on Instagram, and if you see any available update for your Instagram app, simply tap on it and update the Instagram to its latest version. If updating Instagram app still doesn't work and you're still facing the issue, then you have to do is offload your Instagram app. You have to do is simply open the settings on your iPhone, then go to iPhone storage, scroll down until you see Instagram, simply tap on it, tap on offload app and offload it, and then reinstall it again. So guys, after trying all of these steps and you're still facing the issue and your Instagram app is still not working on your iPhone, then our last step is to reinstall your Instagram app. So guys, to do this you have to simply tap and hold on the Instagram app on your iPhone, tap on remove app, tap on delete app and delete the Instagram from your iPhone and then reinstall it from the App Store. So guys, these were some simple steps that how to fix Instagram app not working issue on iPhone. If this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.